If under root x minus under root 12 equal to under root 4 minus under root x, then find the value of x. Given under root x minus under root 12 equal to under root 4 minus under root x. By transposing minus under root x to left hand side, it becomes or under root x plus under root x equal to under root 4 plus under root 12, as under root 12 is negative here, or twice under root x equal to under root 4 equal to 2 plus, and under root 12 equal to under root 12 equal to under root 2 into 3, or we can write here 2 under root 3, 2 under root 3, or under root x equal to twice 1 plus under root 3 by 2, 2 cancelled here, or under root x equal to 1 plus under root 3. But we have to find here the value of x. So, squaring both sides. X equal to 1 plus under root 3 whole square. A plus B whole square. 1 plus under root 3 whole square plus 2 into 1 into under root 3 equal to 1 plus 3 plus 2 under 2, 2 under root 3 equal to 4 plus 2 under root 3. इस तरह के और भी वीडियो के लिए चैनल को लाइक, शेयर तथा सब्सक्राइब जरूर